Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, October 12th. Here we are on our main Schoology page. And if you scroll down, you can see that we are now in a new unit. If you look here, you can see that we are now in Unit 2. Get a job, right? And it says here, new unit. And if you notice, this is our old unit, Unit 1. It says Unit 1 is now old unit. Okay, so starting today and going forward, all of our assignments and activities will be in this folder, Unit 2, and it will be all about this topic, getting a job. All of our lessons will revolve around that idea, getting a job. Okay, so you open this folder, Unit 2, get a job. Okay, and we are now in week 6. This is our new module. Open this up. And let's look. Day 1 is Tuesday, October 12th. Let's look at what we're doing in our sync session on Zoom. So we're doing two main things today. Two main things. We are going to preview the text for today's async assignment. And we're going to learn about author's purpose, which is important to understand when you are reading and writing in English. So here is our textbook activity. It's the preview of the text. So we are on page 22, part 1, A, B, C. Okay, so we'll look through this. We will preview what we're going to see in the text. We're going to preview these vocabulary words. And then here are some more vocabulary words. We're going to make sure we understand them so we can recognize them when we see them in the text. And then we will do part C, where we predict the author's purpose. This will lead us to our next activity, which is learning about author's purpose. So if you click here, it takes us to this video about author's purpose. We're going to watch this video, and when we're done, we will discuss what we learned, and then we will practice using author's purpose in this last activity here. What is author's purpose? So we have 3 paragraphs here. We'll get into small groups. Each group will have 1 paragraph, and you will read the paragraph and you will decide, what is the author's purpose when they wrote this paragraph, either to persuade, to inform, or to entertain? Okay, so you will write down and decide which one it is for each one, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's it for the sync session. Let's look at our async activities for today. So the first part, async, is a Nearpod that talks about run-ons and conjunctions. So that is the new writing skill that we're going to learn about this week, run-ons and conjunctions. Make sure to click here so you can open it in a new tab. Open. See, now we're starting a new tab with Nearpod. Make sure to enter your name so I can recognize you. Join lesson. And it gives you a lot of good information about conjunctions and run-ons and examples and why we avoid run-ons, right? What's wrong with a run-on? So look through these. There will be activities and quizzes and videos, and this is all very helpful so we can start to understand about run-on sentences and how to avoid using run-on sentences when we write. Also, there is a textbook activity. This is the text that we prepared for during the sync session. Future, page 22, 2A and B. If you click here, you can listen to the text, and then you'll do part 2A and B. So you're going to write down the 5 tips that you hear in the audio, and then you'll write details, at least 1 detail for each tip. Okay, and you will write that down. When you are finished, you will complete these 3 steps to show me that you did the work. The first step Did you complete the textbook assignment? So you click on here, and I'm just asking you, yes or no, did you complete the textbook assignment? If the answer is yes, you can come here to the comments and just write either yes, or I completed it, or finished, or anything that lets me know that you completed the textbook assignment. The next step is to check your answers. Step 2, check your answers. I'm not going to click on this right now because I don't want to show you the answers before you do the activity, okay? After you check your answers, come here, the last step, step 3, what was difficult? So you click here, you tell me something that was difficult for you in the assignment or a question that you got wrong, okay? So give me some information about what was difficult or what you got wrong. Write your comments here, and then when you're done, press post. Once I see this, I see that you completed step number 3. I will know that you finished the assignment, and I will give you full credit for the assignment. Okay, that is it for today. That's the sync and async for Tuesday, October 12th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.